Hot as hell.
Yeah,
my face is. Dude, that's hot, bro.
I bet. Fire hot.
All right, one more time.
It's still lit. Why is it still lit? Put race fuel in it.
93 in it. Dude, I can feel that.
I feel it way over here. Blow it out. Blow the end out.
It's gonna blow up.
Shush! Holy crap, that thing's hot.
Dude, I noticed Dyno's car's gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black C7Z.
Dyno West, where'd he go?
Back to wherever he's from. I forget.
What was he here for? Break it down.
It was like
He was
our.
here last year.
Yeah, I think it had an 800 package, and then we upgraded to a 1,000. We put a Maggie on it.
Ooh.
And we did E85, I think. I'm gonna make a little baby pull on this to make sure everything's working, and then I'm gonna finish. We'll do this tomorrow.
Bada boom, bada bang.
Yeah. Summer bod is here. Yeah. Summer bodies are built in the winter. Folks, we got here one more race rod to give away. All you got to do is put down in the comments and say why you want this and what you're going to do with it. We're going to have the guys here at the shop vote on the top 3 comments, so go ahead and do that now.
Race this morning the fucking bananas and sour cream?
Yeah, sour cream. It's Greek yogurt.
Oh, it's not sour cream?
Bananas.
Oh.
Woo! With the hands.
I thought it was bananas and mayonnaise.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. So how is this going to help the performance of the vehicle?
It ain't gonna break a fucking axle shaft.
True story.
Not too bad, you know. Still waiting on parts. Go figure.
What parts do you need?
Oh, the breather setup, flex fuel. That was right. Otherwise, I'd be done. All I gotta do is finish plumbing this and put fuel in it, and it's ready to fire off. Of course, fill it full of fluids first. Don't run anything dry now. So what we've done now is a low side Magnuson 2650 upgrade, breather, flex fuel, so she will be having some corn. She's up and going. Won't be long, she'll be on the dyno.
Sounds good now.
Yeah, so Danye's, if I remember correctly, I could be wrong, but I think it was our 800 package, the first go around. 668, 639, and then he came back, we did the Magnuson on it with, I think, bigger injectors, I think, right? Yeah. And then we were at 852, 746 torque. I mean, you can see, geez, look at that, up top, that blower just loving life. I can go through, I think, yeah. I mean, it might have made more before. 60, there we go, sorry. 686. Let me keep looking. I think that's right. Yeah. Sorry. Alright. Start over. Danye's came in with an 800 before. That was in 921. Made 686, 653 on 93 octane. Just brought it back. Did the Magnuson 2650, and I think we did injectors in E85. Went to 852 rear wheel horsepower, 746 rear wheel torque. Crazy gains. Crazy, and it's super efficient now. Stock blower versus aftermarket blower, and with E85, obviously, it's safer. We can throw a lot more timing at it.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are in Mr. Danye's 2015 C7 Z06 3-speed. Hold on. All right, sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are in Danye's 2015 C7 Z06. Beautiful 3-pedal manual car, equipped with our 1,000 horsepower package. So we got rid of the 1.7 liter blower, put the 2650 on it. I think he had the car for, I don't know, 6 months, a year. I don't even know how long he had it. Drove it on pump gas and sent it back now for bigger pump, bigger injectors, and the flex conversion. We've been doing a lot more of these lately now that we have the mechanical injectors that seem to be holding up a lot better. So you get the best of both worlds with a setup like this. You can put 93 octane in it, safely drive around with 750, 800 rear wheel horsepower, and then just by simply putting E85 in the tank, bump it up to 900 rear wheel horsepower. This one, the blower still isn't being spun too hard. I think we still have a 90 upper on it, so it's still only around 15 pounds of boost, so there is more room for boost. But again, his goal isn't 1,000 rear wheel horsepower. He just wants really a safe 850 to 900 rear wheel horsepower that he can drive and beat on when he wants and not have any issues with it. So I'm actually checking the ethanol content now because we just put different gas in it. We mixed it with some 93, so I'm only at 53% right now, and it is 100-degree weather outside. Sucks. But I'm gonna make just a quick little third gear pull, maybe grab fourth, just to watch the fueling. Obviously at the horsepower we're at with the E content, even with the big pump and injectors, there's still limits to this fuel system, so I just want to make sure we're not going over that and make sure fuel pressure and the injectors are still happy at this level. I think on the dyno we were like at 65%. Yeah, we're only at 53, so we should be fine. Air temps suck because it's so hot sitting here, but screw it. It's getting late in the day, so I don't have time to go make my normal pulls where I normally go. So I'm just gonna put it in third and make a third gear pull real quick. Ooh, she gets up there quick. It's fun banging gears in these things. It does have a McLeod twin disc clutch in it and it feels great. That was third gear, starting at a low RPM. That way I can check for detonation, as well as, like I said, mainly our fueling up top. Man, it felt good. I was saying it's getting late in the day, so traffic's gonna get really bad here in Mexico, so I'm gonna cruise back now, and then hopefully before this car ships, I'll have time to take it back out with a tire on it and maybe get some 60 to 130 times for you guys. Oh yeah, fuel looks great. And again, no meth on these cars, guys. We do put methanol kits on cars that we do build, but for the most part, most of our packages, like our standard packages that we try to stick to, that almost all these cars ship out of state, we try to keep it very easy for the customer. Again, he can hop in it, put 93 octane in it, put E85 in it. We have a gauge over here which we can show you, tells you your ethanol content. Don't have to worry about adding meth or checking your meth or worrying about your meth pump failing and going lean and hurting itself. Now for max effort builds, obviously putting meth on it won't hurt. It'll help with intake air temps and also give us even more fueling if we need it. But for a package like this, that's only making 103. We're still, oh yeah, right at 15 pounds of boost. So again, plenty more room to spin this blower harder if he wants, but this thing rips as it is. And like I said, if I get time, guys, I'll take it back out with a draggy. And again, a stick car, it's gonna kind of be hard to get a good 6130 out of it, but I'll do my best. And then next week we have, I think, a couple more 1,000 horsepower packages done and some automatics. I don't know if they're flex conversions or not, if they're just pump gas stuff, but I'll try to get some 60 to 130s on those as well. And we also have a couple 19 ZR1s that are a couple finished up, a couple being finished up. So check back soon.
As always, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. New to the channel, subscribe button, comment below. Please give it a thumbs up. That algorithm help us out. Until next time.